Good evening and welcome. Straight into our headline story. Georgia tonight, NATO out. Pax Armada in.
Is the NATO alliance shifting to a new position?
Or is NATO collapsing?
Pax Armada's peaceful expansion ends here.
What comes next? It's not diplomacy.
On the ridge line, that is not out. Ordering us to leave the area.
NATO's Secretary General called for calm dialogue.
Pax Armada. Force is how we keep the peace.
Hours left.
In what some are calling a prelude.
If Georgia is just the start, where does this end?
Bad guys in arm's reach, and they're redeploying us.
Murphy! Regional Command's got an update, boss.
Too bad it's not going to be go kick those Pax Armada shitheads off our doorstep.
Pax isn't the enemy. Read your briefings.
Well, then Command should find us an enemy. You backing servers isn't work for raiders?
All offensive cyber capabilities, Blake. SAP level shit. If you read as much as Martinez, you'd stop bitching about the wrong Georgia. Let's see what Command's got.
Yo, this is BS. We build up all these cyber defenses. Then Georgia says, ship out. We're giving the base to Pax Armada. And NATO just rolls over?
That's politics. NATO's not up to a fight with the worst PMC in Europe.
We are. Tag us in.
Look, I'd love to teach Pax a lesson. But if staying here might kick off World War III, I don't want it that bad.
Well, maybe Command's got a plan.
Incoming! Take cover! He's coming down! Defensive positions moving up down! Over there!
More dropping in. Bastard face almost through here. Why? Wait a few hours and the base would have been theirs anyway.
Why? We'll have to wait. Come on! Moving up! Stay on me! Keep it moving! I'm okay!
Got him! There's gonna be more. Boss, we need to get undercover.
The vehicle hangar. Bought ourselves some time. Let's get inside. I'm okay.
Hangar's a no-go, but we got a ride.
That Berkeley?
You good, Murphy?
Good enough. All right. Pax is focused on the base, but our mission hasn't changed. We protect those servers. We gotta secure Site 2 before Pax takes control.
Shooting our way out.
Guns up. Targets on both sides.
Checkpoint's just up ahead.
assist. Tempest actual to Master. Jackson, come in.
This is Master. What's happening? Can't raise the commander.
I need you and your snipers to reposition above Site 2 and run Overwatch.
Copy, Tempest.
Lightning, this is Tempest Actual. Stand by for a precision strike. We can still get a win.
Caution, Tempest. We're seeing armored vehicles ahead of you. Oh, fuck!
Berkeley, take us off-road!
This thing sounds like hell!
It'll get us there.
And if Pax is listening, we may as well be shooting an air horn.
Okay, drop us here.
We see you. We're at the overlook up ahead.
Berkeley, I need you to look for more survivors.
Copy that.
As long as this heat holds together.
Adios. Good luck.
Ammo, resupply.
Glad you guys made it.
Likewise, Jackson. How we looking?
Pax artillery and vehicles below. Lightning is slowing down Pax reinforcements, but they got a window to give us air support. You're JTAC current, huh?
You know it. Let's get them away from our servers. You got a laser designator ready to go? All right. Their turn for a surprise attack. Lightning 1, this is Tempest Actual. Targets in place for attack aviation. Over. Laser on. Blazing.
Bearing now. Bearing captured. Confirm no friendlies in target area.
Confirmed. Fire mission when ready. Over.
Launching now.
No.
Lightning 1, do you read? Lightning 1!
They're gone, Martinez.
Jets. Someone sold them jets.
Jackson, give us some cover. We're headed to Site 2.
We are?
We can't evac the servers under that kind of fire, and we can't let Pax capture them. So we destroy those servers before they compromise NATO.
Holy shit.
We've got enough C4 to take out Site 2 and leave Pax swinging in the wind. Any input?
It's a plan.
It's the perfect plan, because win or lose, Murph's in the shit for coming up with it.
Hostiles closing in on Site 2! Commence firing.
Copy. Enemy vehicles in sight.
They want this place bad! This is Tempest. We'll need evac soon from Site 2.
Anything we can use, right?
Ammo here. We got tangos down below! Cover!
Engage!
Open up! Open up!
Block the entrance.
Not much of a try.
Ammo here.
I got you, boss.
Clear inside.
Can't believe they were still building this place.
Heard the CIA acting for an extension.
Okay. No telling what's in here.
No movement.
Lights on. Stay alert.
The commander said Pax was preparing to take control, not rolling in an armored division.
Hey, not here. They must have been working on the server evac. Pax got the jump on them. Move up. Sending frag!
Cover me! Reloading! In position!
Bastards were settling in. Gotta hurry. C4 on those support pillars should bring the whole place down. We need more C4. Let's head up.
Copy.
This is Duke 1-1 to Sebastian. Looks clear. Closing in on top 2.
Copy that, Duke 1-1. Meet us on the roof. Watch your heads.
Covering you.
Jackson to Tempest. Got eyes on site 2. Pax round forces are forming up.
Clear! Clear this side. More support pillars. Wire them up.
Copy that.
Let's get to the roof for revac, then blow this place.
Spot Pax setting a rappel line in the elevator shaft.
We'll take it. Hey, you good to rappel, Armstrong?
Anything you could do, I could do.
Jackson, are your people close?
We'll chase the evac, but it's gotta be tight.
Clear ahead.
Clear!
Secure yourselves, Tempest.
Tempest, you got Pax reinforcements on effect. They're wise to us. We can't get them all.
Copy that. Evac's coming in. We'll hold them off.
Oh, for fuck's sake, Murphy. You gonna make us look like heroes?
I won't tell if you don't. Tempest, ready up! Weapons free.
Roger that!
Sniper eliminated!
Ammo drop!
Have to reload! More incoming! Find cover! Grenade!
Sniper eliminated! Ammo drop! Commit fire!
Roger that!
Sniper! 30 meters! Elevator
ammo.
position!
Throwing frag!
On the move!
Sniper neutralized!
Taking heavy fire!
Weapons free!
On it!
I'm out! Reloading!
40 meters!
Need a reload!
Evac's coming!
We're not done! Stay focused!
Got a breather, but not much. Weapons free! Enemy down!
Frag out! Frag out!
Cover me! Reloading!
Let's go, Marines! That C4's still hot! So were they.
Fuck yeah! Woo! Got him! Holy shit!
Think they'll bill me for those servers?
Keep adding zeros. Good God. Oh, this is some Article 5 shit. What kind of deck advantage is worth that? No, we're missing something.
NATO has to set us loose on this. Find some answers.
NATO's losing allies by the day, Murphy. If we got the truth, would they want to hear it? It's locked defended. No, we made it!
Hold on!
Aircraft's in a span losing altitude. 241 is hit. In a span, can't recover. 241 is going down. Mayday, mayday! Wait for it, man!
Can't make it! I need help!
Blake, you okay?
I can still shoot.
Armstrong, Martinez.
Think my leg's broke, but I'm still here.
Armstrong, come on, buddy.
Did we get clear?
We got incoming.
Oh, fuck, they're cutting us off.
This is Tempest 1-2 actual. Any friendlies in range? We need immediate evac. Any station.
Murph, what's the plan?
Unconquerable spirit. They gave us that motto for a reason. This is it. I'm going down fighting. Watch each other's backs. No matter how it ends. It's been an honor. We still faithful?
Always.
On my lead. Get ready to fend. Let's give them hell. We go out on our feet. Martinez! Oh, shit! Fuck! Make them work for it!
We gotta go. You all right?
Safe now. No one else made it out?
It was just me.
onset of the global conflict just over a year ago when the private military organization known as Pax Armada launched an unprovoked attack on the Mukravani NATO base in Georgia. Just days later, while NATO was preparing its response, Secretary General Hawthorne was assassinated in Brussels with Pax Armada claiming credit. That created fractures in the West's oldest and strongest alliance. Several former NATO members have joined the coalition of states backing the PMO, which has ignited age-old conflicts in hotspots around Europe and now the world. The question now is, has the violence crescendoed, or is the next fire about to erupt?
Always knew you were a survivor.
Got the scars to prove it.
And the guilt?
Never goes away.
I've been trying to restore contact with you for days. Can't even raise hemlock through contingency.
Like trying to raise the dead? You're gonna put that down.
Wasn't a question.
Sit rep. Hold your positions. Primary secure.
You're breaking protocol. You're never to contact me in person. I taught you both too
They're
well.
They're coming for you.
Who?
Pax.
What's your source? You believe a group of madmen hell-bent for leather on taking the world apart piece by piece would prioritize an operator halfway around the world? Why?
Now that is the question.
Gecko, I didn't put you on this team because you're a thinker.
No, you put me on the team because I'm a hunter.
Mills, they're coming. It's why we're here. And since you like putting pieces together, let's start with that. Like why you chose Dagger 1-3. Take us back to Gibraltar.